नमस्ते स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हो? फाइन? ओके, वी विल स्टार्ट our topic merger. Today's our topic is merger. A merger occurs when two separate entities combine forces to create a new joint organization. Meanwhile, an acquisition refers to the takeover of one entity by another. Mergers and acquisition may be completed to expand a company's reach or gain market share in an attempt to create shareholder. Amalgamation, reconstruction, mergers, takeover of companies. The Companies Act 2013 contains provisions relating to various methods of reorganization of companies under section 232 to 40 of the Act 2013, that is compromise, arrangement, reconstruction, amalgamation and mergers of Company Act 2013, section 232 to 40. Concept of corporate restructuring. Corporate restructuring is the process of redesigning one or more aspects of a company. The process of reorganizing a company may be implemented due to a number of different factors, such as positioning the company to be more competitive, survive a currently adverse economic climate, or cause the corporation to move in an entirely new direction. Here are some examples of why corporate restructuring may take place and what it can mean for the company. Corporate restructuring refers to the changes in ownership, business mix, assets mix, and alliances with a view to enhance the shareholders' value. Right? Meaning of corporate restructuring. Need of corporate restructuring means form of corporate restructuring legal issue. Corporate restructuring may involve ownership, business restructuring and assets. Corporate restructuring is general term used for various kind of business transactions which are required for the growth of the company. Such business transactions are governed by different regulations in different jurisdictions. Companies restructure themselves for the two basic purpose: survival and growth. First is ensure its survival in adverse situation or competitive environment, and second to ensure growth by means of organic or inorganic restructuring. Thank you so much.